There's a little bit of rim damage, but that's something that we can fix. We have a rim refinisher that can take care of that. Your automatic transmission with Tiptronic, heated seats, 6-16 dash changer, just under 47,000. Now the light there just lets you know that one of the headlights or tail lights aren't out. It has nothing, it's not a warning light or a sensor or anything. Power windows, power heated side view mirrors.